Hey, this is Steve from B&M Performance and Off-Road. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Magnum Grip side plates that either have a single or a double Momentary 12-volt switch. These are designed to fit our race-inspired B&M Magnum Grip Shifters such as our Pro Stick, Pro Ratchet, and our Pro Bandit. The 12-volt Momentary switch can be used to activate a trans brake, nitrous, launch control, or any accessory requiring a momentary power. The wires are completely hidden in a machine groove right on the shifter. The side plates are constructed from CNC billet aluminum and are anodized for durability and good looks. The single button model is available in a left side or a right side version with a black anodized finish, or you can get just the left side available in the clear anodized finish. And the 2-button version comes in a left side version only with a black anodized finish. These new side plates will not fit the Magnum Grip replacement shifter handles due to it has no machine groove for the wiring. But don't worry, we have you covered. We have the Polycarbonate side grip plates that have the 2-button momentary switches also. Now these side grip plates actually have the wire channels built into them, so you can go ahead and adapt them to these Magnum Grip shifter handle replacement. This Polycarbonate side grip plates feature dual 12-volt momentary contact switches, textured diamond pattern for sure grip, tough polycarbonate construction, designed to fit all Magnum Grip replacement shifter handles, and complete hidden wire channels for a clean presentation. Now these kits come with all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation, and it's backed up by B&M's lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.